Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to see which chocolate milk mix is the best. This one, Choco milk, or classic Nesquik. So, it's going to be a taste test. So let's see what happens. So Nesquik says add 2 tablespoons to 1 cup of milk. Okay? This one says add 1 tablespoon to 1 cup of milk. However, 2 tablespoons of Nesquik is 50 calories, and 1 tablespoon of Nesquik, or of Choco milk, is 50 calories. So this one's more concentrated, but it adds less. So, in order to make this fair, I'm going to do exactly what it says on the box. So, I'm going to measure out 1 cup, make sure it's perfect. 1 cup, okay? Let's see what happens. Let's do Choco milk first. So 1 tablespoon. This is 1 tablespoon right here. So I'm just gonna okay. Next. Okay guys, I've never even tried this before, so let's see what it tastes like. Doesn't taste very sweet. Well, of course it's sweet, it's just not. It has a weird aftertaste, I guess. Okay guys, now it's time for Nesquik. I think Nesquik is better, but we still need to see. I think this one was okay. Choco milk. Let's measure out 1 cup. Alright. And pour it in. Okay. So this one says to add 2 tablespoons. Normally I don't know how much I add, but I think I add more. Anyways, it's not as concentrated as the other one. So, it's also more powdery. I think that one was more, like, bigger pieces. Alright. By the way, this is not sponsored by anyone. I mean, like, I have 40 subscribers. How would I get sponsored? So don't even ask, please. I think it's easier to dilute Nesquik. Like, there's nothing left at the bottom already. While the other one took a long time to mix. Alright, let's try it. Yep, definitely Nesquik. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Bye.